In this video, I will show you how to connect Godaddy domain to Google Workspace. To get started, go ahead and open Google Workspace on your device. Make sure you're signed in into your account. Now go ahead and open Godaddy in another browser. Now in here, go ahead and open the Godaddy website. And in here, make sure that you're signed in into your account. After that, go ahead and head back to the Google Workspace page. Click on the account tab, and under it, click on domains. Now click on manage domains, and under this, you'll be able to simply add a domain. Go ahead and click on the add a domain button to connect your GoDaddy domain with your Google Workspace domain. So you'll need to provide a few information in this section. Now, before you can connect your second domain, you actually need to verify your primary domain. So make sure you verify your primary domain before you can add another domain for your Google Workspace. And that is how you can simply connect GoDaddy domain to Google Workspace. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.